Alright. 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 Where are we at? Where we is? Where were we? Why can't I play Overwatch yet? Gosh, that's all I want to do is play Overwatch. But it's so much to ask. Does anyone else want to play Overwatch? Because I want to play Overwatch. I am server authenticating Diablo. But I'm not playing the game. Diablo, yes.
Hello.
Hello. Andrew and Alice, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello.
Hello. You wanna play Diablo?
I want to play Diablo.
Yeah.
Are you playing now?
Yeah, me and Will are about to start a new campaign.
God, I started over like 800 times though.
Well, do it again.
Fuck.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Why don't I do that when I can be playing Metal Gear Solid?
Because friends.
Hacking is lame.
Do it.
I don't wanna.
Do it. Did you leave?
No, that was my phone.
Oh.
That happened to be right next to my microphone.
Overwatch isn't up yet, but I wish Overwatch was up. I want to play Overwatch really badly. Do it, Andrew. Do it.
It's funny. Brandon Tough just asked if I wanted to play Diablo.
You play me now.
Are you friends with him? Can you add him to the call?
I don't think. What's his name?
Brandon.
Brandon what?
Just as Brandon.
Oh, I think so, yeah, actually. To the call, Brandon!
Hello.
Oh, hi.
They were actually just asking me the same question.
This is quite the call.
Yeah. But the thing is, they want to start a new fucking campaign, and I've done that like 8 times now.
Do it.
Why would you... I can power level you guys to 70 in about 10 minutes.
How?
Oh, have you been playing since we last played?
I'm Paragon 400, yeah.
Holy shit. Oh, I don't know why that's so funny.
Alright guys, I'm back.
Welcome!
So, Andrew, I heard your new nickname is Honey.
Apparently,
Hello, honey.
I made the mistake of...
The Miss Snake?
I
made a snake.
I made the mistake of disagreeing with the feminist.
Uh-oh.
That's always fun.
I like barely even said anything. I put one comment that like wasn't even like backhanded or mean, or she just flipped her shit. I was just like, "Are you okay?" And then she just like blocked me, and I just was like, "Okay, I have to post this on Facebook now."
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's play! Everybody. Let's play some... Start off from a fresh campaign, 'cause it'll be fun.
Do you want me to power level you guys? We can do endgame.
I don't care.
I don't know what I should take.
I don't care.
How long would that actually take?
Literally, it would take like 15 minutes,
Jesus Christ, really?
maybe 20 tops.
Wow. That sounds pretty cool.
I created my character. Brandon, do I have you on BattleNet? Yeah, I do. Tough.
Game
I guess
settings,
make another Crusader.
private, Torment 6.
I gotta know which character I want to power level, but
Will Brett have to invite me because I'm not friends with your other friend?
I'm gonna invite all you guys in order to do this.
Mm-hmm.
nobody wanted to get foe with me. So
What's your
alone.
BattleNet?
Hold on, I'll type in Skype. Give me a second.
Look! I am Nikad!
There it
What
is.
do I do? Be a barbarian or a crusader?
Ah!
Barbarian.
I don't know if I want to be a mage or a monk.
Monks are fun.
Fuck them. Barbarian, so because I can spin like a Beyblade.
Send your request.
I'm being
Yeah.
monk. Just decided.
When I play monk, when I play warrior, all I do is do whatever makes my whirlwind better and last longer, because I just like pressing whirlwind. Because I become a Beyblade, and then I wonder why I have other abilities. Why would I need other abilities when I have whirlwind?
You can be a jackhammer. You can be a Hoda Barb. Literally, you spam one ability that fucking like jackhammers the ground. It's fucking hilarious. You do 10 billion crits.
Ooh! Let's begin the power leveling!
I'm waiting for fucking Ellis
Andrew.
over here.
Because he'll never decide on a class.
No, it's fucking. I know what class I'm gonna play. It's just fucking updating. Fuck you, God.
It's like, fuck you, damn it!
God! Andrew's gonna play a female. Andrew's one of those people.
And you should totally name it Honey.
Yeah!
I already have this character. His name is not Honey. Fuck you.
Are you playing your your mage?
Monk, I think.
Hello,
He's
honey.
not on the same level as my mage.
Andrew, you're such a honey.
I know.
Right?
Before I forget, let me update what I'm playing so people don't log in and say, "Oh, he's not playing HOTS, he's playing Diablo. What is this?"
Unbox the figure!
No! You can make me. Well, yes, you actually, yes, you can. Yes, you can. You're twice my size.
I
You
seriously unbox the figure.
I will.
Since we're doing such exciting things right now. Waiting for Andrew to update his goddamn game!
Oh, it's trying to fucking update WoW and it's paused.
It did that for me too. It was so annoying.
Diablo, god damn it.
You have to hit pause on the World of Warcraft one, and then it'll go to Diablo.
Alright, okay, now it's downloading Diablo. Shouldn't take long though. Brad, I went and made Fa alone and I blame you.
Chilliams, I don't
I
think
invited you to Trinity.
I don't know what.
I was hungry. I have packed all of my
Characters.
thing.
You mean Trilogy,
All
right?
of my dishes and all of my food are in boxes behind me.
But Chilliams, I don't think I've played a Demon Hunter all the way through. I think. I don't even remember what I have played and haven't played.
Bum, bum, dun, dun, dun.
You guys are gonna be like level 40 or 50 by the end of the first rift.
Like 8-ish on my month.
And then you'll be
I'm
like,
level un.
you're gonna make a barb?
Barbarian? Yeah.
Barbarian?
Actually, I haven't played a Witch Doctor. How hard is it to play Witch Doctor?
End game Witch Doctor legs other people, so it's fun. If you do greater rifts as a Witch Doctor end game, your little totems actually lag the fuck out of the game, and everybody dies. It's
Oh
fun.
well, then I'll be a Demon Hunter.
Our Demon Hunter's like the most syllable.
There we go.
You look sick.
Yeah, I know. Kind of like how I do in real life.
I didn't realize you were Jared Leto.
Damn it, I can't customize it.
I like your transmog top. Looks awful.
It's very green.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'll try
Yeah,
a
this
Demon
one.
Hunter out.
I like that one more.
Ooh.
I can't find a fucking shield to match this though.
I guess
I
while
know
we're
good
waiting for Andrew, I can open
Shields
this,
are for babies. I want
this
a giant
beauty up on
axe.
stream.
Shields
I
are for
should.
tiny babies.
This monk is based on increasing everybody in the party's life per second to like 2 million. So you regenerate 1.8 times your health bar per second.
Not enough. Need more. Need more, please.
And you take 30% less damage and you deal 80% more damage.
Hey Brett, are you watching? Because I'm opening the box.
Wait!
Season 4 has begun.
But I can't. I'm on a delay with your stream.
I know. The box is really cool.
How does it feel? Is it soft?
Oh, my mic is level 29. I was wrong.
I just took it out of the box.
Soft. Tell me how it feels. Orange coming right door.
Alright, I'm gonna have to do this later because Ellis is here. Finally!
God damn, I'm pretty.
Oh, you guys didn't fucking make seasonal characters. You guys are bad.
Wait, okay, let me go back and make a seasonal.
Actually, I think I have a seasonal character.
Why would I want seasonal?
Because I'm a seasonal character and I can't play with you guys in this.
Oh,
Seasonal.
God damn it. But I have pretty gear on this character, you fuckwhore.
You're gonna have better gear in about 10 minutes.
Oh wait, crap.
Do I believe to do
Yeah.
that part? Okay. Fuck. I like how I can reuse names, so I can make all of my characters Therican.
How's this Demon Hunter then?
I like it.
Thank
What
you.
What does seasonal actually mean? Do you just lose it when the season ends?
Yeah.
Why would you want to do that?
I don't
You
know.
get cool season stuff. Cool season
Yeah,
transmog.
you get bonus stuff for playing seasonal. And seasons last quite a while.
Alright,
Invite me.
here's what the figure looks like for those who are still on my stream. So pretty. So pretty.
I like you don't have to customize your characters, because it would have taken me about 40 minutes.
Hey, Brett.
Yeah.
One of your...
What's wrong?
One or more of your party members is ineligible for the current game settings.
Someone isn't seasonal.
Are you seasonal? Is
Yeah,
everybody
I'm
seasonal?
Yeah, I clicked the thing.
I'm seasonal, says right at the top.
Yeah, I have my little
Philip says
emblem.
it right at the top too.
Yep.
So,
Maybe it's a torment difficulty? No? Torment 2? No?
Do we not have to like, get past the first mission or some bullshit?
No. I don't know, maybe you have to log into the character first?
Oh, what's it saying? Google it.
It says one of your party members is ineligible for current game settings.
Yeah, Chilliams, I do. I actually have a lot. I used to have a lot more than I do in the back.
One of your party members does not have access to this content. Maybe it's because we don't have the expansion.
I have the expansion.
I have the expansion.
Don't.
That's probably why.
Ellis, way to go, you're fucking it up for all of us.
Wait, see if you can start without me. I'm just curious if that's why.
Yep.
Okay. Guess I'm gonna go play Metal Gear Solid then.
Woohoo! Better Solid.
Why don't you buy the expansion and play with us?
'Cause I don't like this game enough to spend money on it. Basically, just bought it.